In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Lenovo Black Friday deals. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and right here you'll have to search for Lenovo Black Friday deals. Right here, go to this website which is called blackfriday.com. And as you can see right here, we have a list with some promotions and deals that we can use for some discounts. So right here, all you need to do is just scroll through these options and you'll need to find the best promotion for you. And once you do that, all you need to do is just tap right here on this button where it says get deal, and after that you'll be redirected to the website where you can go forward and you can follow the steps in order to claim the offer and get a discount. Also, going back to the main search right here, we have this website which is called Tech Radar, and right here, as you can see, we also have some deals that we can use on Black Friday. So for example, right here, if you want to get, let's say, this deal, all you need to do is just tap on this green button where it says view deal, and after that you'll be redirected to the website and you can go forward and claim the offer in order to get a discount. So this is pretty much it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.